Okay, go all the way up to the stop sign, and I'll film you coming down the hill. This time you can go faster because you know what you're doing, okay?
I want to go all by myself.
Okay, all right.
Remember, go around
And you don't have to worry about the bump now. You went over it nice and slow, so you know what to expect this time, okay?
All right, Wes, when you go around that drain, go on the outside because there's some rocks on the inside, okay? That was awesome, right? You went all the way around the parking lot by yourself. You were ready to stop when you entered the parking lot, but you started pedaling. That was good.
All right, Wesley, you don't have to go quite so slow, okay?
Put your foot on.
Okay, you can start. Go.
Go.
Okay, have fun this time.
I'm coming.
Have fun, buddy. You don't have to go quite as slow, okay? Wow. I'm proud of you. You're riding a bike without training wheels all by yourself. Look at you. You can balance. You can get the right speed. You know how to do it, Wesley. Catch up to him, Max.
That was awesome.
Aw. You want to go one more time? Okay.